This method can help answer key questions about social motivation and the reward system in autism, such as, are children with autism less rewarded by social images compared to their typically developing peers? The main advantage of this technique is that physical stimulus properties are controlled between conditions, and the reward itself is the same between conditions. These are important experimental controls. Helping me with the protocol today will be my PhD student, Laura Alba.
Begin by creating 2 blocks of stimuli in an EEG presentation software package, one social block and the other non-social. Set up each trial to contain the following: a fixation cross, 2 boxes with question marks, an arrow pointing to the box the participant chooses via the button press, and a feedback stimulus. Lastly, once the stimuli have been created, ensure that a button box will be available to provide to the participant during the experimental trial. Begin by escorting the participant into a testing room. Administer cognitive tests to the participant to confirm that the child has a cognitive score within the low average to average range. Next, if the participant is eligible for the study, escort them into the testing room. Adjust the chair so the participant is 72 centimeters away from the computer screen. Measure the participant's head to determine which size cap is appropriate for the head size. Next, select an EEG cap with 32 silver chloride electrodes.